What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? I just got the strong urge to fly my Hubsan H501S. And so we out here with it. I got the white version out here. Just had a strong urge to fly it. Oops. I'm supposed to be sitting this thing down when I first turn it on. Oh, I forgot you gotta spin this thing around a few times. Spin it around. Till it turns green. Then we turn it this way, spinning it around a little while until it stops flashing. There we go. So let's turn the lights on. We got GPS hold on. We got 7 satellites right now. We're gonna let it sit here just to get the home position. Okay, we got enough satellites now. We got 12. The drone has 12. The transmitter has 10. Hopefully you guys can see that. So let's take it up. Haven't flown this guy in a while. GPS hold is on. It acts like he wants to land. Haven't flown this guy in a while. I guess the sensors are all just waking up. Okay, it's holding steady now. But let's turn GPS off. So it's in altitude hold mode. I just wanted to fly it around a little bit. I would get some footage from up above of the night sky and everything, but I couldn't find my SD card. Couldn't catch up with it. So still fun to fly this guy around sporty mode. You can put this in full manual mode now, but right now it's in altitude mode, so it'll hold its altitude. A little drifty. Actually, let's put this guy in altitude. Let's put it in manual mode. You have to land it first. Land it, and then you stop the motors. And then you have to pull down on the left stick and press in the right stick, or you have to press in and hold, or else it'll go in follow me mode or whatever. So you go down to manual, it's on off, so we're going to toggle it to on. Okay, so now when we start the motors, now when I go up on the stick, it's in full manual mode now. The only thing with this is it's still got the auto centering on the throttle stick on the side. So I should have brought the advanced transmitter out, because the advanced transmitter, you can take the spring loading or auto centering off the throttle stick. So you don't have to deal with this, what I'm dealing with now. The stick is trying to self-center on me. So that's why I'm bouncing like that. Make it look like I got bad throttle management. Yeah, it's not really fun flying it in this mode with the stick like this. Do some funnels though. You can fly it a little faster this way. Do some manual flips too. I'm a little scared to try it with this darn stick acting like this, with the self-centering on it. As you can see, this thing gets fast. So you can have sporty fun with it. It'll bank turns for you and all. Check it out. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it back in altitude mode. Bring it down. Stop the motors. Down on the left stick, hold in the right stick. Go down to set manual, toggle it to off. Okay. So now we can go back into GPS mode and all. I think when you're in manual mode, you can't just hit the switch and go back to GPS hold. I know for a fact you can't execute the return to home. It'll just stay in manual mode. It's plenty fast enough in altitude hold mode though. Check it out. I wish you could control the color of the lights, because it has its set colors depending on which mode you're in. Oh, touch and go on the ground. It's acting like it wants to land. GPS mode. Man, it's drifting on GPS mode. Is this thing drunk? Yeah, you're supposed to stay still. Let's check it out, guys. See if it toilet bowls. Nope, it's on point right now. Oh, the battery is really low. Let me take it down before it starts trying to do a return to home. Hubsan H501S, guys. Thanks for watching.